YouTube? Welcome back to Shenanigan Show. So, this intro is being redone. I didn't like the first one. Don't like the outro either, so we're going to redo that as well. But in this video, I'm a couple days later right now, but we changed the mid-pipe on Laura. We went from the stock mailbox giant mid-pipe to the Leo Vinci to match the slip-on. I do have a time lapse of that. I'm keeping that. We'll time lapse that whole thing. And then Saturday I went to a shop in Illinois to get Laura dyno tuned. And after all the videos done of the dyno tuning, I will nerd out a little bit on why I got the dyno tune done and what the dyno tune actually does. But stay tuned, watch this video. I think you'll enjoy it. We changed mid-pipe and we got the dyno tune. I'll show a graph, I'll show a bunch of videos of the tuning. So just go ahead and watch that, and I will catch y'all in just a couple minutes. the video, I wanted to explain why you get your motorcycle dyno tuned, or an ECU flash works just as well. So basically, when you get your motorcycle factory, no modifications done at all, they run lean from the factory. Every single motorcycle runs lean. It's to cope with emissions that we have in the United States. And the big exhaust and that giant mid-muffler. It's all to cope with the standards of emissions in the States. So, changing to a slip-on and the mid-pipe, it makes it run even leaner. And that is because there's more air flowing through than what the factory tune is made for. So you take it to a tune or get a tuner or get it flashed, and they enrich the fuel map. They also make it to where the throttle bodies past a certain RPM stay open. From what I understand, after a certain RPM, your throttle bodies start to close and your power band starts to drop off. And you'll see that. I'll bring up the dyno map, and you can see where Nick's tune kept going and the stock fuel map, or the stock tune, dropped off. I mean, it's not hard to, tell, but at the end of the map, or the dyno graph, there is points where Nick's tune is making like 50 extra horsepower over stock. So, but he also, in even his flashing, messes with the throttle control, because stock throttle on most motorcycles, in my opinion, is junk. It's very choppy. He makes it very drivable, very streetable. And at the same time, even with his flash, so at the same time, even with Nick's flash and his dyno tuning, he will go in and drop the temperature that your fans will kick on. My stock motorcycle wouldn't kick on until, I think, like 210 degrees, and Nick drops that all the way down to 195, I'm sorry. So the tune that Nick did was a fantastic tune, and I will leave a link in the description for A, Xplane R1 Tuning, and B, Chaos Customs, where Nick does all of his tuning. Nick did a fantastic job. It's not horribly expensive to get this done, and in my opinion, it is completely worth it getting done. I did ride the motorcycle after the tune was done, and the drivability is 100% better. I really enjoyed it. So, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description down below. You can get a hold of Nick at Xplane R1 Tuning, Instagram, Facebook. Like I said, he does his tuning at Chaos Customs in Collinsville, Illinois. They do mostly Harley Davidsons from what I've seen, but the people there were fantastic. They were easy to talk to, very down-to-earth people. So, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you would, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button would be nice. But I guess that's the end of this video. I do want to again thank Nick for the amazing job that he did, and Chaos Customs for allowing me to bring my motorcycle to get it tuned. So, that's the end of this. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all in the next one.